The Hurricane 9 is the world's coolest new fetch toy. It's time to reinvent your game of fetch with this 100-plus foot gravity-defying flying ring launcher. Dog owners already love the Hurricane 9.
Hi, this is my dog Sharky, and these are your average dog toys. Got a frisbee, no interest. Sharky, get the bone. As soon as I pull this thing out, look, he goes crazy. He doesn't want to chase the ball, he just wants to chase the frisbee, but he
The Hurricane 9 ring launcher, built to give your dog maximum exercise in just a fraction of the time. It's made from durable EVA foam, which is built to withstand the sharpest teeth, so you don't have to replace the rings after just one game of fetch. Forget about those slobbery tennis balls. The Hurricane 9 works indoors, it floats, and yeah, you can take it to the dog park. All dogs love the Hurricane 9, even if your dog's not typically the type to chase a tennis ball. Within months after launch, the Hurricane 9 was already featured on the news.
Check this out. Fido has some new firepower.
And it was selected as a top 5 must-have toy at the San Diego Pet Expo. Did I mention it was invented by a rocket scientist?
Hi, I'm John Hunter, co-inventor of the Hurricane 9. I work on high-speed airplanes, solar airplanes, and now the world's most bodacious dog toy. And one day I was working on a sporting good that would fly a really long ways based on an airplane wing like this. You take an airplane wing and wrap it into a circle and it flies a country mile. I took it to my daughter's house and just for fun I shot it in front of her dog, Amos, and Amos went crazy. So I immediately realized after about 20 more shots that Amos really liked this thing and we had a great dog toy in our hands. Here we go, dogs. This is Aerodynamics 101.
While we've been teaching dogs, we've been talking to dog trainers too.
Something really great about this toy is that it also floats, so if you have an active dog who likes the water, it would be a great idea as well.
Like most of us, Emma's owner is a busy person, and so she doesn't get that daily exercise that studies show is proven to make a healthy, happy pup. And so she's left to dream of that blissfully exhausting game of fetch. After just 2 launches, your dog has already run the length of a whole football field. And it's easy to use. You just load the ring, pull it back, and release. And to use it inside, just pull it back part of the way. And if you're feeling old-fashioned, just throw it without the launcher. You go, Tiger. It also doubles as a great training aid. The Hurricane 9 comes with 3 rings, with 6 rings, or with 6 rings sold separately. The Hurricane 9 is now for sale at hurricane9.com, so your dog could be flying through the air with a better workout, a better toy, and a lot more fun. Order yours today and share us with your other dog-owning friends.
Your four-legged friends are always looking to have some fun, but when you're not around, they can be lonely and tear up the town. Not anymore. Introducing Wobble Wag Giggle Ball, the interactive ball that makes the most hilarious sounds, turning a lonely day into a fun day of play while you're away. Just a nudge from their nose and off it goes, wobbling around as it makes engaging play with me sounds. Wobble Wag Giggle Ball uses unique sounds, colors, and motion designed to mimic human laughter and joy, to engage your dog's natural curiosity and instincts to play. And when it's caught and shaken, it fills your dog with the pride of accomplishment. The secret are 3 tubes inside the ball that let out sounds when rolled around. The 6 catch pockets in the ball allow any size dog to pick up the Wobble Wag Giggle Ball. Flexible, pet-safe construction makes Wobble Wag Giggle Ball super durable. Best of all, Wobble Wag Giggle Ball requires no batteries. And unlike high-pitched squeak toys that make your dog run away, the hilarious sounds the Wobble Wag Giggle Ball makes encourages them to stay and play. And the best part is, you'll know when you're not around, your dog will be active and happy with Wobble Wag Giggle Ball fun sounds. And listen to this, Wobble Wag Giggle Ball helps keep your dog happy, healthy, and fit, because you're giving him a workout without having to take him out. Look, older dogs slow down, but with the Wobble Wag Giggle Ball, you'll have them up and playing like a puppy again. It's healthy fun for dogs old and young. Plus, you'll know when you're not home, he'll never be alone with his Wobble Wag Giggle Ball.